Blood Sugar, 3 looks, 3 days. Seeing red with Jeffree Star. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to Fabulous Life 101. My name is Ann. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now. Today is the first day of my Blood Sugar 3 looks, 3 days tutorial. I love this palette. I finally bought it. I just got it during Jeffree Star's Thanksgiving Black Friday sale. And it took like 3 weeks to get here, so I'm finally getting to use this. Today, I'm going to start off by focusing on some of the more nude, neutral tones, and just go with a nice, warm, pretty look. Tomorrow, I'm going to go more in the cooler pink purple tones, and then the third day, I'm going to be doing a bold red look. But let's start off with today. Start with the sugar cane and put this on the base of my eyelid. This color, sugar cane, I think is one of my favorite nudes in any of my palettes. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in with my liner brush. I'm going with this sort of brown shade, Intravenous, and I'm just going to do that as a basic eyeliner. In applying liner, I just gently tap right along the lash line. I also go in right underneath the lash line as well. Okay, that's my liner look. Now I'm taking this small brush. I actually go in from the outer edge. I'm going in with Tongue Pop. Just sort of gently tapping because you don't want to pull on your eyelid. So I just kind of tap gently. Now I'm taking my small packing brush and I'm going to go in with Sweetener, which is a nice, pretty shimmer in sort of a peach nude. And I'm going right along the crease, tapping along the crease and sort of bringing down. Just sort of tap along the crease and then sort of bring it down. So I'm taking this little brush again and I'm using Glucose, this white color. And I'm going to put the white right on the inside. Just right on the inside to kind of brighten a bit. And my final step with this is to take this pretty gold, this one called Donor, and I'm going to go just sort of gently put a little layer, blend it all together with this gold shade. And there we have it, just a nice, pretty, shimmery eye look. Let me put on my mascara and I'll be right back. Mascara's done, I'm ready for my day. This is day 1 of Blood Sugar, 3 looks, 3 days. I really love this palette. It lets you do sort of a warm, nude, shimmery look like today. You can also do pinks, reds, bold colors. So I'm really having fun with this, and I hope you'll enjoy this little tutorial. Good morning, beautiful people. It's day 2 of my Blood Sugar 3 looks, 3 days test. And today, I'm in the pink and my makeup is going to reflect this. So going into this palette, I'm going to use some of these beautiful, bold pink colors. But I'm going to start off going over my eye with Sugar Cane, which is just a basic nude. And just sort of gently tap that over my eyelid. And now I'm taking my liner brush and I'm going in with Root Canal, this beautiful bright pink purple color. And I'm going in all along my lash line. I'll So going under my lash line. Now I'm going to use this Jeffree Star concealer to just touch up the crease. And with that, I'm taking this little small packing brush and just put a little bit of it on the tip. And I'm going in right the center of the eyelid. And taking the same brush, I'm just kind of blending it down and along the crease line. Very tiny bit of this. Going along the crease line and then down to where the liner is. Focusing on the center part of the eyelid. Next step, I'm taking the small packing brush and I'm going in with Cavity, this bright neon pink. And I'm just going to take that right sort of in the corner of the eye. And sort of blend it in towards where I put the concealer. The same thing with this eye. Now taking a different, slightly larger packing brush, and I'm going to go in with Candy Floss, a very light pink shimmer, and take it from the center, from the inner corner of the eye, and blend it in with the brighter pink. Now I'm taking a blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this sweetener, which is a pinky gold, and just sort of cover everything and sort of pull it all together to give it a little more shine. Okay, that's my pink look. Now I'm going to do a mascara and I'll be right back. Mascara's done, lashes are curled, ready to face the day. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is day 3 of Blood Sugar, 3 looks, 3 days. And I'm going all out for the red today. I'm wearing a vintage Cousteau shirt. This one I've had for probably almost 20 years. I bought this shirt, I think, at Nordstrom. And it looked sort of familiar when I saw it. And then I realized one of my all-time favorite TV characters wore this exact shirt. Yep, Lorelai Gilmore. So I had to keep this one. Couldn't get rid of it. And I still wear it from time to time. Thought today it would really enhance my red experience. This is the palette. And I'm going to start out with a sort of a base. I'm going in with Cake Mix. And like I did yesterday, I'm going to cut the crease using the Jeffree Star concealer, and this is the 5.5. Using my smallest packing brush for this. And just a little dab at the very end. There we go. And just sort of define the crease with this. And bring it sort of down the center of the eyelid and along the crease. Next step is my liner, and going in with the all red look, I'm going to use this Fresh Meat, this dark red, to line my eye, both upper and lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going back in with the packing brush, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this cherry soda, another bold red color. I'm going to use that right in the corner, the outer edge. Take it in from the outer edge. I'm going to take it in from the outer edge up to where I cut the crease. And then go just a little bit along the crease line. And a little bit along the crease line. Now I'm taking a slightly larger brush, and I'm going in with blood sugar, the sparkly red, and I'm going to basically go over and blend together with that. And then to kind of mute it and give it just a little more sparkle, I'm going to use the gold donut and just sort of press on top. And blend it out toward the corner. This is a little unbalanced, so I'm going back in with cherry soda right here, a little more. Balance it out. And then I'm taking my small brush and just put a little bit of the white glue close in the inner corner. And this is definitely a redder look than I normally go for. But let me get through with my mascara and I'll be right back. Mascara's done, ready to face the day. This is my red look from the Blood Sugar palette. Now you can go a lot bolder than this, but overall this is a fun palette. My very favorite colors are the sort of pinkish nudes because that's something that I wear every day. It goes good with my skin tone and it enhances my eye color. So I love the color sort of in here, the gold, the nudes, the soft pink. These are some of my very favorite shades ever. The bold reds, it's not something I would do every day, but it allows me to just have a lot of fun playing with this palette. So I highly recommend it if you don't have this already. I know a lot of makeup fans list this as among their favorite palettes. This is Blood Sugar by Jeffree Star. By the way, I'm going to put a link below to all of the makeup I used during these 3 days. Hey, do you have a favorite palette or favorite brand you'd like for me to check out? If so, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.